Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add page numbers to your Google document. To begin, please open your Google Docs document and then look up at the top and you'll see an option called Insert. It's here. Click on that and then hover your cursor to Page Numbers. And you will see a sub-menu and then select which one you prefer here. So I will select the first one, and then as you can see, it already has a page number here and then here. Now that you have your page numbers in place, you might want to customize them. To do this, just double click on the page number itself. See, you can customize it now, and then it will allow you to adjust the font or the size and other formatting options. So remember, if you decide to add or remove content in your document, your page numbers might not automatically update. No worries, all you have to do is to repeat the steps that I gave you. And that's it. You now know how to effortlessly add and customize page numbers in your Google document. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add page numbers in Google document. See you on my next video.